This machine, I don't know, has issues. I just have to sometimes pick it up and bring it for a ride with the loader. Just blew a hydraulic line, so they stopped, and it's easier to get the machine back up to the tools and bring all the tools to the machine sometimes. So another one of my daily tasks. Well, not that this happens daily, but you know, one of those other things I do. There's some wood for the Alaskan sawmill. Some big material. So, yeah, bye-bye skid steer. Let's go get you fixed. Here we go. You guys forgot to bring in the skid steer and plug it in. And it's cold this morning. Hold on, I can't see my forks. So we'll bring it to the front. There we go. Again, not daily, but take the Bobcat for a ride. Gotta plug it in, plug it in. I leave my two hands. Thing's broken again. Hush, little baby, don't you cry. I'll bring it for a ride. Watch some forks. But this guy's last ride on my forks. I heard that it's sold. It's going upstairs. Another one gone. I don't have a song for it. Could run again. Possibly. The right person. Bye bye, skid steer.